Long before other teenagers hit the snooze button for the first time, these kids start their day at a summer camp that is about much more than campfires and s'mores.
Well, I played tennis and I wanted to get better at sports.
Well, really, it's about less.
Like sit-ups all the time.
Less weight.
And then we have weights. Yeah, I went to the doctor
Scott Denard is from Davie County.
I was sick for something. And then I stepped on the scale and I was just like, I need to do something.
But just like Ellie Despain, these kids come here
because a lot of other things didn't work.
This is Wellsprings Camp Hope.
Woo! Is everybody feeling that?
A place where kids come not just to lose weight, but to learn why they gained it in the first place.
It's a lot about the neck up instead of the neck down.
Come on, guys, I want to see some effort!
And it's about the biggest of goals.
I do think we're saving lives here, absolutely.
That may sound a bit over the top, but look at Ellie. She spent most of her 16 years on this planet in combat with her size, and if she hadn't found this,
Like, I probably would have kept on gaining and losing, then gaining back, and just getting frustrated and depressed.
Wellspring takes kids for several weeks over the summer and immerses them in a new world. They may sing about pancakes,
Bran and raisins, please.
but then they march into a breakfast they've taken turns preparing for themselves that teaches good choices
Hey, don't forget your milk. Did you write that down?
and taking notes.
I write down all my meals and what I eat, and like the calories and fat for it.
And then balancing the calories in
Apparently, we haven't been getting the weight loss that
with calories out.
we're supposed to, so that's why they're bumping up the activities more.
Trying to get at least 10,000 steps a day.
Yeah, I know.
Keep your eye on the ball and then throw it at each other. Some kids have a problem grasping how it works.
They see our program as more of a cure than a long-term sustainable program. How are y'all doing?
Camp is really just a dress rehearsal
Awesome.
for what they need to do every day back home.
What's one thing that you feel like you really, really, really need to focus on?
So this camp has sessions every
I
day
have troubles getting myself motivated.
that helps teach kids why they've developed some bad habits.
When I'm at home, I'll get up and exercise for like 10 minutes and then sit back down and never get back up until like 2 hours later. I'll just sit there on the couch and watch TV.
We'll have campers come in and say, I can never do that. I'm always messing up. Everybody is laughing at me. Nobody likes me. And those words, everybody, nobody, I'm always, they're extreme words.
When they can get these kids to believe in themselves
So making healthier choices about what we're putting in our body.
and then buy into the work it takes to reach their goals, they may just be saving lives 100 calories at a time.
We are saving lives every single day here. It is, and I truly believe that deep down to my core.
I agree with that, definitely. Because if I hadn't come here, I honestly have no idea what I would have done.
How do you feel? Look at that, you finished.
Really tired.
It's a revolution on the march in the North Carolina
I
mountains,
feel like I have dirt on my forehead.
in which less is most certainly more. Bob Buckley, Fox 8 News.